Happy New Year, Watercolor 101. My recent trip to St. Augustine, I saw these grapefruit growing right on the tree, and they really looked like they would practically paint themselves. And wow, grapefruit with actual leaves, like you don't see that in the grocery store, right? Started out with trying to do planes of the grapefruit, and as you see here, left an area of white dry canvas at the base of each grapefruit, because the reflection of the table is going to bounce up, and having that highlight at the base is really going to be good down the road of this painting to help achieve depth. And I always try to leave not only at the center top a highlight of dry paper, but also the little, what would you call it? An Amazon smile is the shape of the dry paper on the bottom, because later on you can paint in, soften it, or just add some tones. But if you always have like at least a little speck of white down there, that really helps with riveting depth at later stage. Working on the leaves, here's a real-time section, and it's a kind of a ponderous pace anyway. But the leaves didn't come out that great, but moving right along. Important to give it a good effort. Anyway, trying to do the shadow under the leaves. Here I'm thinking, wow, I should have done something in the background earlier than this. Probably like first thing would have been nice for the wood table. But anyway, I thought that was coming out okay. I let it dry at that point. Started trying to achieve the look of the wood table. Wood is a good thing to practice all by itself, which I have not done too much of, but that probably would have been a positive if I could have done 50 practice wood paintings over the years before trying to do this wood. Anyway, so trying to achieve the background, left a big border all the way around, ignored the fact that the balance was off, because too bad, we could just cut it down later, this paper. And here I'm trying to do additional washes to achieve a more luminescent look on the what are those things called? Grapefruit. Okay. It wasn't really coming out perfect, and seeing the grapefruit in the tree, I thought it was practically going to paint itself, but didn't quite paint itself. Anyway, it was coming out okay, and it certainly was fantastic, working from life on a beautiful temperate day. The leaf that is, hanging around about 3/4 of an inch in front of the grapefruit, it would have been good if that had more depth, which it does not. But I was thinking about taking a knife and scraping off little specks of a highlight on that leaf. Maybe it would stand out more. Well, something for later. Art, fun, paint from life outdoors to grapefruit with attached leaves.